Hey food enthusiasts! Today, I'm diving into the world of basmati rice, that fragrant, long-grain superstar of the rice world. Did you know basmati actually comes from the Hindi word for fragrant? That's right. This rice has been a staple in India, Nepal, and Pakistan for thousands of years, and it's easy to see why. When cooked correctly, basmati rice is light, tender, and fluffy, not sticky like other types of rice. Perfect for pairing with anything from dals and paneer to your favorite saucy dishes. First things first, rinsing. Rinse your basmati rice 4 to 5 times until the water runs clear. This helps remove the starch and ensures your rice stays fluffy. Now let's talk ratios. For every cup of rice, you need 1.5 cups of water or broth. Too much or too little liquid will mess with the texture. And don't forget to use a non-stick pot. Soaking the rice is optional, but can make it even softer. And for a flavor twist, try adding cardamom pods or a bay leaf. Season well with kosher salt. Cooking time. Your rice should take about 15 to 20 minutes on the stovetop. Once it's done, let it rest for 5 minutes before fluffing with a fork. Trust me, this step is crucial. Got leftovers? Basmati rice keeps well in the fridge for up to 5 days. Just cool it completely before storing in an airtight container. Reheat with a splash of water on the stovetop for best results. And there you have it. Perfect basmati rice every single time. Whether you're making biryani or serving it as a simple side, this rice is a game changer. Give it a try and let me know how it goes. Happy cooking!